Hello, fellow viewers. I'm Ep03 and this is the Weekly Bunker, a show where I demonstrate to you guys how we build this beautiful bunker over here. Last week, what we did was we started with the wiring. You can see the red tubes right behind me. What we're going to do this week is finish the wiring by installing a box over there, and we're hopefully going to begin doing some formwork to put concrete in the walls. Let's go. Bog of all trades. I do everything and more. The box we're gonna use is this box over here. I bought at a local electric store. It has enough space for 14 circuit breakers, and it consists of a door frame, an interior frame, and this section over here, which you can put into concrete. Sadly, it does not have enough tube inputs, so we're gonna have to drill a few of our own. And additional to that, what we're gonna do is we'll put it into the concrete with the lid because we want to make it a bit more hidden and not stand out by the thickness of the lid, which is quite considerable. Let's get going. This here is where we're going to install the box. It's a bit small, so we're going to probably have to expand the rebar a bit. And we have these tubes going in, and we're also going to add 2 extra tubes to the side and a tube which will lead out of the bunker. Our plan is to make 2 40mm holes on both of the sides, 3 40mm holes on the bottom here, and 2 63mm holes on the sides of the top, and some 20mm holes on the top. For this, we will use cranial drill bits. Sadly, we do not have a 63mm drill bit, so we'll have to use a 50mm drill bit and expand the holes using a file. So this is how we're going to drill it. There we go. Now we can verify that a 40mm tube fits into the holes. And this is how we're going to be expanding the holes. Since we can only make them of a diameter of 50, we just put a file into our drill. In order to expand the holes, we use this contraption here. We use the file and stuck it into the drill as a drill bit. And now we test. Still too small, we'll have to drill it wider. Oh, it's somewhat looking better. And there we go. The top holes were made oval to somehow accommodate a 63mm tube, since the box was not made to accommodate 63mm tubes by default. And so this is how the main shell of the box looks with the holes. Now we can proceed with the installation. So that's how it all looks installed. What we also did this week was add some polyurethane foam to the endings of the tubes, like you can see here or on the bottom here. As for the formwork, I'm going to give you a little spoiler about next week. We have bought 10 by 20 centimeter steel beam, and you can guess down in the comments what we will be doing from it. If you still haven't seen the parts 1 or 2 of the weekly bunker, you're more than welcome to check them out on the weekly bunker playlist in my channel, and I'll link it down in the description. And if you're interested in how to fix the blinking LED issue persistent in many models of TP-Link extenders, you can check out this video over here where I fix one live for you guys. And until next week, ciao!